Hello, welcome to my presentation. My name is Yuzo. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Toronto. Today, my talk will focus on the mechanical characterization and the process optimization for metal additive manufacturing. So you can see this is a piece of sample made by additive manufacturing, and the shape is very complex, but there's more complexity inside. We call it microstructure. In our group, we are going to use nanomechanical testing tools to test the mechanical performance of this microstructure inside. And then we are also going to use finite element modeling and machine learning to optimize the process. I hope my talk will be interesting to you.